What's up, YouTube? Time introduction. Welcome. So today, as in the description, I have just received some Fetty wrap snacks. So let's go taste them out. Let's go. We're back. Back at it again with the white pants, Daniel. Alrighty. As you can see, I already opened the bags. Pretty good. But I still got a whole bag. Actually, I can't wait to hear. It ain't that much. So I'm ready. Let's test these boys. So, first off, set the camera up. I don't know how I want to do this, but I'll be back. Okay, it's him. Only took them maybe 5 seconds, so got some pop. Although I had tried it before. But next video is gonna be about Migos. Dabble Ranch. But still, Migos. These are Fetty Waps. $129 at the store. Right. These are wrap snacks. This one. This is how they look.
Hey, let's go behind the door again. Hey, sit down and roll some crackers.
Not bad. Big old chip.
Every once in a while, I talk to her on Facebook. How she's doing. She's doing all right.
Yeah, just sitting there a lot of money.
The guy, yeah, they doing all right. I guess they still doing the same thing. She working, he not working.
You know, Geico insures way more than cars, boats, motorcycles, even RVs. Geico insures RVs. What's an RV? The thing we've been stuck on for 5 years. Wait, I'm not a real person. And over this stuff, there's stickers. I'm not a real person. What's a sticker? Take a closer look at Geico. Great savings and a whole lot more.
UOM designs jewelry for Hollywood's biggest stars. Jewelers, designs them for you too.
You know the saying, they don't make it
What
like
the
they
heck
used to?
is this
I still do.
Okay, the #1
Big
jewelry
old
store.
chip from my camera. Alright, let's go.
Discover card. I'm not a customer, but I'm calling about that credit scorecard. Get it? Sure, it's free for everyone. Oh, well, that's nice. And checking your score will earn you credit. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Well, thank you. Free at discover.com/credit scorecard, even if you're not a customer.
They
have no idea what kind of war we bring.
Next gonna be my next video is gonna be Migos wrap snacks or something. I don't know. That's it. I don't know. And then next one's gonna be me reacting to Black People's song. It's going to be so fun.
When you have kids, you want them to be safe in the cartoons. I give them an A+ rating.
Can you hear it? This ice cold Coke is calling. I'm just $1 at McDonald's. Come get it. Don't let the ice cold, thirst quenching, deliciously refreshing. Oh my goodness, that's incredible. Gas. It's waiting for you, and the clock is ticking. So go now. Right now.
Oh, you want me to come get it now?
Inside
No,
something
you
for
can
just
take it
$1.
to a power.
Only at McDonald's.
It's 127.
We got her safely to the drop out of high school, but her growing independence in college.
It's 127.
This
Smart.
nothing quite prepares you for a moment like this. With the world in front of her, the stylish new 2017 Toyota Corolla and Tsunami,
Let's play
the most advanced safety features ever, all standard, will have her ready to take on the world. With a $159 a month payment she can afford,
Ford, I feel, is above all of the other car makers because they're always advancing their cars, whether it be things inside of the car, the features, or the look of the car. I believe that they're the number one vehicle.
So impressed. Wow.
Hey, mine is. Oh, okay. Girl, you got this block on here. Probably charge your phone up in 3.5. I mean, your thing up in 3.5
Don't see
seconds.
them. Don't see them. Yeah. We're back.
I had to buy this one because I don't know what I did with the other one. That was somewhere.
You could have went to the dollar store and got a cheaper one. How much you pay for that one? Probably a lot because of that thing.
I think I went to get it from Walmart.
No, you got it from Verizon.
This is Verizon.
It's so hot.
You filming yourself, girl? Your hair is cute. You get in here. How long it lasts?
Yeah, how long you had this in already? 2 weeks, how long?
Can you wash it with it in there?
This latch hooked in. It's braided and then it's latch hooked. So I gotta put them out.
Ah. Well, don't forget to hit the like button.
What you say?